Welcome to channel 99 Seni. This channel will record the journey and process of making paintings to 9,999 collections. Support each other for make a world full of creation and color. The arts and crafts and anti-laziness become our motto. Behind a creative art passion, there is a feeling that is difficult to put into words. Only with art, we can explain every touch of conscience. Maybe not the best, not the greatest, not the famous, not the smartest. Everything is a process to do and learn. Artist May de Belliany Hutagalung. YouTube start June 15, 2022. Size 35 times 45 centimeters. Media acrylic on canvas. Thank you for support that comes from friends. Donate of material to immaterial. You can contact us on the 99 Seni website. Videos that will be published on the 99 Seni YouTube channel every day at 2 p.m. Eastern Indonesia time. Thank you.